them dead, them dead, them dead, them dead, them dead.
6 men bringing you back.
Me not gonna tell you no lie, my maths not too good, but me know accounting. But line up 24 Paul Bearer for me there. Exactly when I go say now, so my view. Oh, you say line up 24 Paul Bearer when I just 3 of them dead. We say your maths have problem for you. No. You don't understand where I go and power go on. Big bite that pending. You understand? So me I check him from early. I wonder if Perry have space over there. Perry been go again in a Perry. Them are dead off, you know. Remember, good or badness on the sign up for something on the done, they don't have to dead too. On the done, they don't tell you that. Remember, say a badness we sign up for without going to jail. See, them are dead off. Them are dead off. All of them.
Welcome back to MyView TV, the people's platform, the home of undiluted news, reviews, updates, and your daily dose of entertainment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see happen, my natural talent. Man, me tell you something. You see, when you know what
When
to
what you
please
do
the
isn't getting
audience
to where
with,
you
it's
want to go,
simple.
the universe will send an experience that pushes you to evolve. Stop holding on to what you cannot control and focus on what you can. That is, you. Don't fear transformation. Stay faithful that your effort is creating significant improvements. Life always reveals the best path to achieve your desire. You are worthy of all. Believe in blessings. Believe in your blessings. Believe. Believe and you shall receive. What go on, my people? Hope everybody okay. Hope everybody alright. Yesterday morning, we get up and find myself alive. Every day above ground is a blessing. How awesome it is to be amongst the living. And surely, not amongst the dead. Give thanks to life and the gathering. Crocus bag of sin thing. Every single day you come out there. Me tell you, just see me and leave me alone, no man. I say before, me deal with them. I have to big up my friend them with their around, so cause the man them make sure send message come give me, and the man them say, my view. You see if you're not big way up, we not gonna beat no more boy if you're around here, you know. But this year, you know, I say, alright, man, I big them up, cause boy, if you get lick of their skin once and feel like they want this, man, I tell you, no reach a jail, you know. Can't be a bully my friend around there. You don't go jail, because if you don't go jail, them no wish jail on there. Lick to on the skin. So big up my friend them out half a tree jail. Big up my friend them half a tree jail. Big up my friend them once be a jail. And big up my friend them. I can do any part jail right out there, so. But the man them out half a tree jail. When I get that special big up. Because I'm a G, you know. Long time all the way apart. Me know no go. Hey, watch you now. The youth they kill the police. I know start with you. I don't know a gas station. Ah boy. You man dead around there, no? Man are dead around there. The police them a treat him bad. He mother ball. She want to go to TV station and me tell her go on. Because me not go back because of she. The police them don't protect me. So here what? You go to my police up at TV station. Go tell them say you carry the food. And then flick the food back here Wednesday. Cop killer now eat. No food for the cop killer. That is where the police them have to cheat. It's not good. I mean, agree with them. Boy stay around there and starve and dead hungry. Look how the social human rights and them bag of eat that there. Run go pick it up. Cause she a got the go all, you know. But him a get to him deserve. But my friend them only need to beat him too, you know. Because he make not use on the phone. Yeah, man. But Mr. Brad, Mr. Black, Mr. Green, Mr. Thompson, which one I work today? Turn the little back song in I sell so the man them hear me, no man. Ellie, say that, eh? Turn the little thing in the sell me, the man them can't hear me, go on, power, go on, the man them want to hear my voice and see me big them up, man. Alright, moving along. So, boom, I'm a circle around on the Belmore Lane. Right, this part them lick down Koja, kill Koja. I see one wally paper a ball. I see all the mother come out there in the ball. I say, watch my ball for criminal. Nose that a go in the mouth. I say, nasty. I say, one look at because I just control our friend mouth. I just call her one side. I say, really a go on, really a go on. I say, my the police them blunder this time. I say, my police them blunder. Nobody not dead enough for dead. He said, no, my view, they said that youth are still. He never did for dead. He just love their company. I said, for real? He just love their company. So my view, nah, kill nobody, man, he not bad. The only thing this boy a bad part, I can tell you the truth, everybody can confirm it in mouth. I say, me mind bad part in mouth. He love talk, instigate people life. Them said, no. Them man just eat. Bad part in mouth. I say, me mind just eat. A Tata's brother? She say, yes, my view. Lone rankers, them man a bad part in them mouth. Them man eat down everything. I live class free, right? So I say, eat you too. She say, yes, my view. I say, okay. You know me understand. I said, that's how you come and chat the man business. But anyway. So I make them kill him. When I do round here, so if him not bad, him and human in a problem, man. That's why I come round here, so come rest. And he make big bike around there with him, don't it? Oh, you know what big bike, my view? I say, you know what big bike. No, me tell you, say, big bike or big boy, whatever I don't want to call him, soon dead. Remember me telling you that, you know? From when me telling you that? From about Sunday, me telling you that, say, yo, this boy is soon dead. All right, watch out. Boy, I really know if you go so boy, if you catch up in Maxfield, guess you go and probably go and the police them circle him last night. What the big idiot police them miss? Big idiot police them miss. The police them for licking down, you know? The police them for licking down, kill him, but they miss. Oh, the police are so full, they need to lose their work. They need to lose their work, me I tell you the truth. Not for them don't end up kill. A man who forget lit down, who they make get to it. Jah know star. Police them fooling. Every single day, a good thing me can read, you know? It's a good thing me can read. But more know when I say though. Every day right. My view I gonna get it. My view what me I gonna get. Me not see butter meat and pick it up on road, you know. Me no want to no big old out, not this stinking mama coming out gonna be one stepfather. And me no want little germs that when I walk up and dog with. So what me I gonna get? Me need to know what me I gonna get. Me no want from now, you know. What me I gonna get? Talk clear, man. Tell me what me I gonna get. Because I say all you no call me name and una dead off. The police them want me alive. You understand? Yeah, man. Me make God and the police them fight my battle. Me just pray to God. And God's alright, you're covered. And let me tell the police them say, yo, slap it who trouble me. And the police them say, okay. So, what me I gonna get? Wanna tell me what me I gonna get? Ryder, let me show you something, because me don't want you to feel like say, me not have ice pack. I just through the police them now say, my view, slap them way. How me just slap all of them. After me go somewhere, me talk about tall man, they say, me police them know what tall man do. Me soon not run off for them out, but guess what, go on. Look on the screen now. I want to stop and look on the screen. Who this? So the friend could have dead. When the friend could have dead, and remember good, no boy we running from which part them born and grow, cannot diss me. So my friend them from Mackay Lane, Painland. Remember this boy, yeah? Rondo Hamilton, age 36. Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Branch, and they're supposed to know him good. I'm this type of bartender. Him CM1. Talk about him construction work I live in a Gungo Lane. Who do not for fine, he die now. Who do not for fine, you know? So, mine on the time on me. Mine on the as a matter of fact, watch you go and power go and cause. As I know Tasha not turning himself yet. Come here, police. I can talk to you. Make sure not take on the notes. The youth on the red bike, them call him Bookie. Him they keep the fish fry. Sat there. The food is expensive and never tastes good. More about my money. But separate apart from that, you need to go seize the bike because him knows about him friend Tasha and Randy. They see two of them there. Yeah. Who is supposed to know Tasha and ready? But me no one know who Rodney. But me tell you say them dumb, bad and they easy for find. Them easy for find for choo. You know want to find them? Find them. And to find a little rifle them. I think man have all about the place. You understand? Because of them control them up in the hills. And then tell plaque of them say them now send them back. But that's a different story. So which one that the ends there? Who the turning himself? Who not turning himself yet? Jason. I know Jason not turning himself yet. Jason have one other secret. Me tell you that already. Remember me they telling about him, you know. And he still not because he have the secret for them. I have more things to tell you now. Alright. You ready up on the screen now? Him are the crooks. So all we don't wonder which one of the crooks them from another the police them the whole land pan are calling. Him. And that one now. Whole I made top peel right out. When nobody ask me how it peel out, you understand? No, when I go say no, I say fuck for what. Me don't know about that part there. Me not gonna tell a lie on nobody. But it's him. What me for telling about? President turning himself, you know. And President say, watch out, man, him not understand how him turn in himself before run, and run come out before him. So President say, yo, him need to know is what kind of deal Plaka cut with the police them. So then let out run before him. President, we want to know too. As a matter of fact, we don't want to know why when Thickman dead, he call and say, don't lift up no machine. We don't want to know that too. We don't want to know that. Alright. Since we don't want to know that part there, we must want to know why is it that when Eddie dead in call and accuse and say, oh, no fi kill Eddie. What that for? What that for? We don't want to know that part there too. We don't say look, go on. Say look, go on for cho, man. Alright, we're going to talk about run now. See there, see me go some woman put up a picture and put up a car and you start ball over there telling people them, yo, somebody call my view and tell me take all the car quick and fast. Hold on, no, man. And me make you and your papa come together, you know. And sell out Thickman, you know. Remember how no sacrifice Thickman, you know. Yeah, man, no sacrifice Thickman, man. People like that, them do. Punish town people, me I don't know at that them do. Thickman, they having waste still, you know. All who know Thickman know say, yo, me and Thickman are good friend. That's why I'm gonna beat him, so. Every time when I say Thickman, unless my view put you up again, what I'm saying? Oh, no, my view alone, man. That's my view. That. He just a chat off him mouth. Whenever you Thickman say, yo, you got this, me now. Whenever you say that, yet. Eh? When them they go over Thickman yard and beat the dog. Who in call and say, my view, put it up for me there. I say, no, man. If me put it up, them will come back over, they come beat the dog again. The same looking dog going in the box. The police them go over, they go drop lick under the dog's skin. As a matter of fact, road girl, the 21 pair of foot of shoes where you have. Carry down a town, me have some eagle down there say, yo, then can call over so and get an next pair. Because them are going to China soon. Yeah, man, so just link me up. Let me give you the link with my friend down a town. Because, you know, make sense here, one pair of foot. One foot up there. Where now use. Send it on. Because Thickman never read them out. You understand? People can sell them down a ton. You run, back to you. Somebody else, I'll get it, you know. Who are going to set up to get it next? One of your brother them? Tom Power Blackie. Which one of them? Me know them business, you know. Me know them business. Watch ya. Loan people over there shake me start this morning. And if you keep the party a top scheme later, don't keep it. You see me make sure one or no, don't keep it. Terror Blacks, come here. I know you don't really have much sense still, but you understand when me talk. How much time you have to make him and then come up there and look for you? If you make them come up there again and you turn in yourself, tide in a Terror Blacks. Bet say me read about you. Terror Blacks. You know you're dunce, but you have a little bit of understanding. Find yourself down at the station today. Tell them say, me say, you're supposed to turn in yourself because you don't want dead. Yeah. Find yourself down at the station. You know say me I want Terror Blacks though. So make sure I want him. Terror Blacks, if we make the man then step come up there. Yeah, I did. Terror Blacks. Just do the right thing and save your 3 points and tell me thanks later. Is that in a trouble, you know? Every single one is in a trouble. Then queer now. If police are killing the bad man, are killing you know. Then you want a bet say. I just call Blacker Boy and tell Blacker Boy which path to find both you and Ryder right now. Run go to the station and carry yourself and save your 3 points. Acha. I'm afraid of fuck. Hold on now, people. You don't know who this? You don't know who this? We don't know who this. Because I have a different picture so you look now. Ranking more tatas at him say, man. The police then finally let him go. One only per chat him have. But I want to tell him, say, when he gone behind bars, the little girl say that give away front. The same front then come out and him, little girl that give it away. But the people that come in this, I'm supposed to ask Tatas, say, Tatas, I wish on that front then tie him out. The mother front and the daughter front. Because usually they the mother before you start the daughter, you know. Kind of big all out to thinking careless family this man. The people that say my view, are just the other day we say Tatas move out before the police them send call him. He man move out to bed and move out to just and gun. And then by morning light Tatas start back with everything I go over the yard. That's the biggest waste man of the system. The system use him. And he not get nothing out of the system. Actually. Ask that as a show where he own. He don't own nothing. Not even one bicycle. Can say, watch out, man. Them 2 bicycles right there, so. I mean, you own it. Yeah. The only thing Tatas can say, he make a link with Clangs and Ada. And in the save Rotter life one time. That's the only thing in your work can tell people, say, I feel part of history that in all lie. The system be sending God prison for the lady murder me, they tell them about. The system say, yo, you take your rap. So that's why when Scuffler, they shoot him mother, he couldn't do nothing about it. People, I stream me go to this morning, man. Ball to ball commentary, man. Then look on this dead bullfrogger with the Burger King cup. Una know it. Alright, me can't tell no because me tell you say I clean Spanish town, you know. If you don't feel like so, I'm gonna mash up Spanish town and make a sad mistake. I invest my money in the new Spanish town. Well, Chinaman woman this, you understand? Well, let me know you call him and I wonder which part him then they are jail. He now come out. Police me have the file. As a matter of fact, me deal with my police over station. Police, me tell you something. No, me nobody come over there can't tell you nothing. I'll take up on the phone and call me. Uno cannot call me. Uno look a police. Uno look a sergeant, corporal and inspector. Uno below the food chain, man. Uno can't call me. Speaking of food chain, me see about the other day I talk about him the thing say which part him did there for the food chain. Brother, let me tell you something, man. You have money, but you are not a part of them, man. Yeah, man. You know matter what money you have, them not accept you, only live side of them. This is a good thing, yeah? I know not bad for me to touch it and talk about it. But me tell you something, man. If you invest your money and you lose your investment, you're there on your own. If the whole of Jamaica come and say, watch out, man, invest some money right there, so. And it gone. It lost. I don't know which part it there. No, I'll leave it alone. Alright? Back to what we are talking about. Them are two up on the screen now. Squeeze. And which part of the cliffhanger they hide, Squeeze? How we hide from? The police them? You ain't if you do. One up on the station this morning. Find yourself over the station, then the police them say, oh, me say, you're supposed to turn in yourself. People are punished down, we are fixed. We are fixed punished down. All who are get trouble, them don't know where you hide. Them don't have nowhere you hide. Want to go down at 31? Alright, we'll go down at 31. And Siva, them a little boy, yeah. You have. I run fear night people, them. Me know when them get slapped and nobody come black on the road, you know. Police they can find one right over chicken yard. I can find another one right on Mr. Dan Lane. Yeah, man. Me know which part them there. Me know which part them there. Be a trouble them again. Look at people them want look community shop them. In a problem. Because of them are like a boy, yeah, man. Don't worry. I go and get the police on a file. Because me have on a file. Me have them file. Don't need to worry.
Thanks for watching. This was a MyView TV production. Remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, tell a friend for tell a friend, and remember, it never bring no